No, stop crying, okay? Just wipe your tears. Why are you crying? Hmm? Are you sad?
No.
No? Where do you want to go?
Go to Macy's.
Macy's? No.
Go to Target.
Yeah, you just go to Target if you want.
Go to Target.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around Target and not buy anything. And come back home. Okay? Are you sleepy? Hmm? Can you smile?
No.
Why?
I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I'm crying.
No, don't cry. Why are you crying? Did Tata make you cry? Hmm?
Daddy's mad.
No, Tata's not mad anymore. I love you.
Where's Nanay?
Nanay, she went to the park. She's coming back. She's just getting some milk for you. Okay?